So welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can copy ChatGPT tables into MS Words with borders. For this, I have a dummy data over ChatGPT. You just need to copy and then go back and Control V to paste it. And now you need to click on this four-sided arrow and right click and click on the table properties. And now click on the borders and shading, and now select the style of the line first. I select the line and now click the middle line and the center line, and now you can choose the color of the border. For example, this one. Select the width of the border 1/2 and make sure apply to table and click OK and click OK. And now you can see this is the double border. So how you can make it single border? For this you need to again right click and go to the table properties, and this time you need to click on the options and uncheck the allow spacing between calls. Click OK and click OK to apply, and here you can see that. Now again select the table and go to the layout option and make it middle center, and if you drag it, it will be centrally aligned. So this is the easiest way you can copy ChatGPT tables into MS Word with borders. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.